Howdy folks.
Howdy folks.
Howdy folks.
Howdy folks. Howdy folks. Howdy folks. Howdy folks. Today. Howdy folks. Today. Howdy folks. Today I got a kind of fun fall cocktail for you. It's gonna be a tiki drink today. Howdy folks. Today I've got a new kind of syrup. Something a little different today. Today we got something pretty fun. Strawberry season where I live. It's cherry season. This is my collection of Hamden rum. Today we're gonna talk about raspberry syrup. I made this skull ice. If your friend offers you plums, today I'm gonna show you the greatest drink of all time. And tomorrow that's just a little bit more unusual. Today we don't have a very good plan. Today I've got kind of a wild recipe. Howdy folks. Something happened the other day that doesn't happen too often.
So this is the same procedure as last year, but just to recap, here's how I make lime cordial.
I'll just show you how I make grenadine.
Nut milk. So let's go to the kitchen.
Procedure is very simple.
Nut milk.
The procedure is very simple. Once the juice is juiced, you go ahead and weigh the hulls. And there you go. This beautiful rhubarb gin. Sort of muddy green color. Like a tequila undertone. It's pretty nice. So there you go. It's got a really nice purple color. I think those butterfly pea flowers are pretty awesome if you want to have a blue thing.
So let's make one.
Let's see what happens. All right, so let's mix it up. So anyway, these sound pretty good. Let's mix them up. Go ahead and make the drink now. Let's get to it. Let's give this a shot. So let's stir it up. Let's do it. So let's mix it up. Well, we did it. Let's give it a try, shall we? All right, so let's give this a try. So, let's check it out. Yeah, it's I mean, god dang, that is good. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't be a stranger, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. We will see you next time. We will see you next time. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.